It is said that people age because of the free radicals and how they react with the human body. There are many locally available antioxidants that we have. Turmeric is a very powerful and strong antioxidant. Hi. Hello, Varun.
Hi.
Today, I'm here to talk about a peculiar topic which I found very, very interesting. I'm sure you'll also find it very interesting. I'm here to talk about antioxidants, aging, and its impact on certain kind of diseases, purported impact on diseases such as cancer, Parkinson's, Alzheimer's, etc. So what are free radicals? Let me start with that. Free radicals are highly reactive materials or molecules, sorry, which are found in the free air because of too much of pollution, or because of vehicle exhaust, or because of pesticides that is too much used in the fruits and vegetables, etc. Now the thing about free radicals, which are, by now you're already guessed, is they are very bad for the body. Why are they bad for the body? Because they create something called an oxidative stress on the body. So free radicals are highly reactive molecules, literally, with they either have an extra electron or they have one electron lesser. So hence they are very unstable. So what happens is that when these kind of molecules get onto our body, they react with a lot of cells, especially DNA structures of our body, and alter their basic structural composition and hence their behavior also. So when one free radical molecule reacts with the DNA, the combined molecule after reaction itself is also a free radical, and hence that reacts with another DNA molecule. So if you notice, it's kind of a chain reaction, right? And that's what a free radical does. It creates chain reaction, and that's how it becomes a cancer, or it progresses into some kind of diseases such as cancer or Alzheimer's or Parkinson's diseases, etc. All right, so that's what a free radical does. Now coming to what it does with what is needed to kind of stop the proliferation of free radicals. Let me introduce to you a concept called antioxidants. Antioxidants are molecules which reacts with these free radicals and gives extra electron, or takes up that extra electron, thereby neutralizing these free radicals. These antioxidants are found in spices, they are found in vegetables, they are found in fruits, green tea, dark chocolate. All these things are rich in antioxidants. There are many types of antioxidants. Now we also get a lot of antioxidants in packaged form, like the acai berry, which is a kind of a berry found in I guess in the Latin American countries. So you get the extract of these and are packaged as the wonder drink or the antioxidant drink. Now let me tell you one thing. There are many locally available antioxidants that we have. Turmeric is a very powerful and strong antioxidant. The antioxidant called curcumin found in turmeric is a highly helpful, and it has in fact more antioxidant property than all these kind of fancy acai berry and these kind of packaged drinks that is not locally available. Now, how do you understand the antioxidant capability of these kind of different antioxidants such as green tea or acai berry or turmeric, etc.? There is something called ORAC value. It's basically ORAC, oxygen radical absorption capability. As the name says, the capability of a molecule to absorb that free radical is the ORAC value of an antioxidant. The ORAC value of one of the things that we locally use in our cooking, which has maximum ORAC value, is clove. Then there is cinnamon powder, dark chocolate. Soy chunks has something called isoflavones. That's basically another antioxidant. Then you also have antioxidants in all fruits and vegetables in the form of flavonoids. There are antioxidants in almost all cereals and lentils in the form of tannic acid or phytic acid. So these are all antioxidants which helps in neutralizing these free radicals. Okay. Now there is even an interesting theory called free radical theory of aging. So it is said that people age because of the free radicals and how they react with the human body. So, so that's about interesting thing that I wanted to share about free radicals and antioxidants. Now, antioxidants are helpful does not mean that you need to have too much of them. According to the US Food Regulatory Authority dosage, the amount of antioxidants that a person would need in a day is somewhere around 3,000 to 5,000 units. Now, if you take turmeric, if you take all these garlic is also rich in antioxidant capability. So you can search for ORAC value, ORAC value of these antioxidants, and you would find a lot of Indian food having very high ORAC value and hence antioxidant capabilities. So include antioxidant rich food in our diet, but then as always, doing anything too much is always unhealthy. So don't go overboard, but it's good to know these kind of information because it comes handy once in a while. I hope that was helpful. As always, if you have any doubts, please do comment here and ask your questions. All right. Bye. Bye, Vara.